Hello, welcome welcome back to watching my videos. Um it is a beautiful day out and I'm walking my dog. Yeah, and yeah. Yeah, I know that this is a very tricky time. Yeah, but hey, we'll get through this. Yeah. Um um Hope you guys are having a great day today. Um, but if you aren't, hey, that's okay. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.